Hello guys, I'm Rameswar Shah from Science Classes. Today I'm going to start the chapters and which is related with the bridge course entrance preparations. Okay, then let us start from heat chapter. Okay, first of all, what is heat? Heat means a form of energy which gives sensation of warmth. Or another definitions, the sum of total kinetic energy of molecules of body is known as heat. Okay, then first the sum of total kinetic energy of molecules of body is called heat. And here SI unit of heat is joule. And first of all, I'm going to write it gives sensation of warmth. Warmth. And SI unit of heat is joule. Its SI unit is joule. And its CGS unit is calorie. We already know 4.2 joule is equal to 1 calorie. 1 calorie. This. Okay. Here heat flow from body at higher temperature to body at lower temperature. It means the heat flow from hotter body to colder body. Heat flow from hotter body to colder body. Colder body. Okay. Another, I'm going to discuss about temperature. And here heat is measured by calorimeter. It is measured by calorimeter. Okay, then temperature. Temperature. What is temperature? Temperature means the degree of hotness or coldness of body is called temperature, or the sum of or the average kinetic energy of molecules of body is known as temperature. The average kinetic energy of molecules of body is called temperature. Temperature. Or degree of degree of hotness or coldness of body is called temperature. Temperature. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. There are many unit of temperature like as Celsius, Fahrenheit, but SI unit is Kelvin. SI unit is Kelvin. Okay. Another, it is measured by, means temperature measured by thermometer. 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 Okay. Another, when we discuss about different temperature scale, and before this I am going to talk about the thermometric liquids, because we already know inside the thermometer and from which we measure the temperature, and there is a liquid inside it, by expansion of which the temperature of our body is measured or temperature of substance is measured, and that liquid is thermometric liquids. Then what is the and thermometric liquids, and there are various type of the thermometric liquids placed in the thermometer, like as mercury, alcohol, then here thermometric liquid, thermometric liquid. First mercury, then this its freezing point is, its freezing point is minus 39 degrees C, and boiling point is 357 degrees C. It is shiny and opaque, good conductor of heat, we already know. Second, alcohol. Its freezing point is minus 117 degrees C, and boiling point is 78 degrees C. 78 degrees. And the thermometer in which the mercury is placed, that is known as the mercury thermometers, and this type of the thermometers is appropriate to use or appropriate to find the temperature of hot body or at hot regions, but it is not prefers to measure the temperature at the cold regions, because its freezing point is minus 39 degrees C only. Okay, and the thermometers and where alcohol is placed, and that type of the thermometer is known as alcohol thermometers, and alcohol thermometer is appropriate or preferred to measure the temperatures of the cold regions, because its freezing point is very low, that is minus 117 degrees C. Okay, another temperature scale. Temperature scale, there are different temperature scale in which I am going to talk about centigrade, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. And temperature scale, their lower fixed point, upper fixed point. Here lower fixed point means the temperature at which the pure water freezes is lower fixed point. Another upper fixed point means the temperature at which the pure water boils is known as upper fixed point. Then here temperature scale, centigrade scale, and centigrade scale lower fixed point is 0 degrees C, upper fixed point 100 degrees C. Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit. Lower fixed point is 32 Fahrenheit. Upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. And in Kelvin scale, lower fixed point is 273 Kelvin. Upper fixed point is 373 Kelvin. These are. And in this way, we can find the relation among these all temperature scale. Okay, and which help us to converge or convert from one temperature of one scale to another, like as relation among centigrade, Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale. Okay, then C minus 0 by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180 is equal to K minus 273 by 100. This is the relation among these three type of the scale, and with help of this we can convert the temperatures and which given in Celsius into Fahrenheit or into Kelvin or vice versa. Okay, another thermometer. Thermometer means the instrument and which is used to measure the temperature of body is known as thermometer. And these thermometers, there are different type of the thermometers, but four type of the thermometers there is generally, like as clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer, maximum minimum thermometer, digital thermometer, these are all. Then an instrument which is used to measure the temperature of body or substance is called thermometer. Type of thermometer. Like as clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer, digital thermometer, and maximum minimum thermometer. This clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of human body. Generally, when we suffering from the fever, this thermometers we use, and which is used by the doctor. Okay, and so it is also known as a doctor thermometer. Here, clinical thermometer. The thermometer which is used to measure the temperature of human body, the thermometer, or in this way I am going to write, it is used to measure the temperature of human body. Okay. And when we study the characteristic of clinical thermometers, then first of all from definitions, and we know that it is used to measure the temperature of human body. Another, the range of temperature, the range of temperature is from 35 degrees C to 42 degrees C, or when we tell in Fahrenheit, then 94 Fahrenheit to 108 Fahrenheit. Up to this reading are mentioned in this clinical thermometers. It means, and between this both range temperatures we can find easily from this. Another, there is constriction in clinical thermometer. There is constriction in clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer. Constriction means there is a vent inside the capillary tube and in which the mercury is filled. Okay, and that constriction helps to resist the returning back of the mercury columns and after raised, and helps to determine the accurate temperatures. Okay, another, laboratory thermometer. It is used to measure the temperature of substance in laboratory. And the range of temperature is from minus 10 degrees C to 110 degrees C, and this is a wide range of temperature scale. Another, there is no constriction. There is no constriction in laboratory thermometer. Okay guys, this much for today. Another day I will bring another new topics. Thank you.